Sometimes when your day has just been overwhelming, you need to just take a time out, come to a peaceful place like a park, and just take in all that nature has to offer. It's very scenic, very peaceful. And I love water. It's just something about water that's very calming. The grass is green. It's the perfect time of the year to just be out and enjoy nature. You hear the birds chirping. They have a gazebo out here where you could just sit down with a nice book. Or if you don't want to be distracted by a book, just take your time and just enjoy the view. It's very quiet out here. This tree is a nice place just to set out a blanket